Hi everyone, welcome to our Language Training Center video classroom, and today we will learn lesson 71 and 72. First of all, let's review last class's vocabulary and some important points. Okay, first of all, a review bit. Look. Sağollasizlar, qaranglar. Bugungi darsimizdagi darsimizda mana oldingi darslarga mo'yin bo'lgan mazmunlarni bir takrorlaylik. Birinchisi ekansanlar year. Okay? Year. All right? Year deganimiz nima? Bu yerda yil degan gap. Race, musobaqa. Bu ayirib qo'ygan bu. A deb o'qiymiz race. Bo'rin bo'ldi desanlar. Surat talab qilgan musobaqalarni race deymiz. Endi keyingisi nima desanlar? Town. Okay. Demek yizidan cho'ng, shahardan kichik o'rinlarni town deymiz. Yiz bozor deb qo'yamiz. Okay, crowd. Odamlar to'pi. Stand. Turmoq. Exciting. Kishini hayajonga soladigan. Exciting. An exciting race. Kishini hayajonga soladigan musobaqa. Just. Faqat. Mesela just behind. Arkadan olunup degan gap. Finish. Okay, finish. A winner. Okay, a winner. Winner deganimiz yangichi, musobaqada yeng'oqchi. Way. Okay, way deganimiz yo'l. Okay. So lesson 71. He's awful. Good. He's awful. Biz qaranglar, bularni nima qilib o'tibdi? Ma bola aql chaqqa telefon qilibdi, shundaymi? Telefon qilaveribdi ekan, bo'lim deb tursanlar. He's awful. Good. Andaqda bugungi darsimizda nima yangiliklar bor, nima yangi so'zlar bor. Avval mush so'zliklarni o'rganaylik. So'zliklarni o'rganib bo'lib, undan keyin mush yangiliklarga kelsak. First one is awful. O'qiylik. Telephone. Time, answer, last, phone, again, say. Okay, awful, telephone, time, answer, last, phone, again, say. So first one is exciting. Do you know exciting? Okay, and the exciting deganimiz adamni kishini hayajonga solgan degan gap. Masalan, the movie is very exciting. Bu kino intayin kishini hayajonga soladigan. And the exciting ko'pincha shu adjectivelarningki keyiniga ing qatilgan nim bo'ldi desanlar. Bu nim bo'ldi desanlar, kishini hayajonga solgan ko'pincha narsalarga ishlatamiz. Masalan, excite degan hayajonga solmoq feel bo'lsa, excited hayajonlanmoq, exciting kishini hayajonga solgan. Endi nima id qatilgan shaklda nimaga ishlatiladi desanlar, odamlarni tasvirlashlar bor. Masalan, I was so excited because the race was exciting. Men intayin hayajonlandim. Chunki musobaqa intayin kishini hayajonga solgan bo'ldi. Demak, endi mushunga o'xshash, masalan, yana interest, masalan, interested. I was interested in this book. Men bu kitobga qiziqib qoldim. Because that was interesting. Chunki u intayin qanday ekan? Qiziqarli ekan. Demak, endi ing qatilgan bu shakli narsalarga ishlatdi. Xo'sh, endi odamlarga ishlatishga bo'lamdi desak, bo'ladi. Odamlarga ishlatsak, uning xarakter mijozini ifodalab keldi. Okay, that boy is very exciting. Bola bek hayajon. Demak, intayin hayajonlangan odam bo'lsa, men deymiz shuni exciting. Okay, that boy is very exciting. So the song is very exciting. What about awful? Okay, awful. Awful deganimiz hamda intayin kishini bezor qiladigan. Uningki night, nachar, really bad and terrible narsa bo'lsa, awful deymiz. And awful news, shum xabar, yomon xabar. It means bad news. Okay, bad news. Albatta xo'sh yoqma, yaxshi bo'lmagan xabarni deymiz. Awful news. An awful friend. Okay, and the awful friend qanday bo'ldi? Bezar qiladigan, doim pul so'raydigan, qoqshaydigan odamni. Nima bo'ldi shuni? An awful friend. Awful degan nachar. Naytdi, yaxshi bo'lmagan, bad demakchi. An awful person. Okay, and kishini bezar qiladigan shaxs. Bu nachar shaxs, kishini bezar qiladigan bo'lsa, awful deymiz. Awful. Mesela he's awful. U bek nachar edem o. Demek şu nachar eski kişini bizar qiladigan bo'lsin deymiz. Awful. Endi kishini hayajonga soladigan bo'lsa şu exciting. Exciting. Wow, that news is really exciting. O kishini qanday intayin hayajonga soladi. Okay. You know, I saw a film on the television. And the children were awful. Men Okinawani televizorda ko'rgan u bolalar big qanaqa very awful, big ekan, big pit ekan. Okay. So was Jackson awful friend? Bir Mao Jackson bir yaxshi emas do'stmi? Demak awful friend deganimiz nachar do'st yoki kishini bezar qiladigan odam bo'lsa nima deymiz? Awful. Okay. But some of the news about him is awful. Bu onun doğrusu bu xəbərinə aiddir. Eskiken və ya ki aiddir yamanken, yaman xəbəri rəb qoyumuz bu. Şunu awful. Awful. Good, next one is telephone. Okay? Telephone. Telephone, telefon qilmaq. Yəni bir isim bo'lganda telefon deb ma'nosida. Endi birisiga telefon qilish yəni nima deymiz sana? Call up somebody. Yoki give somebody a call. Okay, hey, I will give you a call tomorrow. I mean, telefon qilay. Yoki I will call you up. Okay, I will call you up. Degan, men sizga qanday qilay? Telefon qilay degan gap. Call up somebody and give somebody a call. Okay. You stay at home until I telephone you. And men telefon qilgacha siz uyda o'tirib turing. Until deganimiz nima? Gacha. I telephone you. Men sizga telefon qilgacha qanday qilib turing? Stay at home. Uyda turib turing. Stay at home. Yani we telephoned you this morning. And bugun atgan biz sizga qanday qildik? Telefon qildik. Demak telephone, telefon qilmoq. We telephoned you this morning. So why don't you telephone your mom? Okay. Nima qilib telefon qilmaysiz? Why don't you? Nima qilmaysiz? Nima qilsangiz bo'lmamdi degan gap, Don't telephone her again. Okay, bunga telefon qilma. Hey, don't telephone me again. Menga qayta telefon qilma. Mishari again deganimiz nima? Qayta. Qayta menga qanday qilma? Telefon qilma. Okay, you know, please telephone me after work. Ishdan keyin menga telefon qiling. Demakchi, ishdan tushib qanday qiling? Telefon qiling. Okay, next one, time. Okay, do you know time? Time degan qatim degan gap. One time demaymiz. Once. Once, twice, ikki qatim. Three times, four times, to'rt qatim degan gap bo'ladi nimshada. Masalan, he's a doctor, I met him once. U bo'lsa bir doktor, men uni bilan bir qatim ko'rishgan. Okay, he telephoned you twice. U sizga ikki qatim telefon qildi. He telephoned you twice. Okay. Okay. Demak, ham sharga twice deganimiz ikki qatim. Once degancha okay, bir qatim. And not once a day but twice a day. Bir kunda bir qatim emas, balki mana ikki qatim. And twice a day deganimiz ikki qatim. Three times a day deganimiz uch qatim. Masalan, once a week after bir qatim. Twice a week after ikki qatim. Three times a week posture after that uch qatim degan gap. Okay. So how about once or twice a week? After bir yoki ikki qatim bo'lsa deganda kamda masalan, how about once or twice a week to meet? Now ko'rishga bir ikki qatim bo'lsa. So I go to university twice daily, okay? And then men universitetga, maktabga kunda ikki qatim boraman. Daily deganimiz ham nima? Kunda degan gap. Okay, next one is answer. Answer. Okay, answer. And answer the phone. Telefonni olmoq. telefon qabul qilmoq bo'lsa nima? Answer the phone. Hey, answer my phone. Hey, telefonimni ola degan gap bo'ldi. I telephoned you but you didn't answer. Hey, men sizga telefon qilgandim, lekin telefonimni olmadingiz. Okay, telefonimni olmadingiz. Shuni deymiz. I telephoned you but you didn't answer. You know, whom did answer the boss's telephone? And kim xo'jayinning telefon qildi? Kim xo'jayinning telefon qildi? You know, these questions have no answer, and the bu savollarga javob yo'q. Answer degan javob deb ma'no ma'qul. Amda masalan bir telefon qilsak, masalan so'zlashyapti yoki oldirash degan nima deymiz sanlar? The subscriber you dialed is busy now. Okay. Siz telefon qilgan abon so'zlashyapti. Yeah, busy now. Busy oldirash degan gap. The subscriber deganimiz hamda abon. You've dialed. Siz o'g'an is busy now. Hozir oldirash. Okay, next one is last. Eng oxirgi yoki keyingi qatim last time, o'tgan qatim last week, last night. Okay, turgan kecha shunami? Last question, eng oxirgi savol. Demak, last one eng oxirgisi. Okay. And on the last day of the year, and shu bir yilning eng oxirgi kuni, demakki 12-31. Last day shunami? Okay. Yet I slept very badly last night. Men tunugan night ig'ir uxlabdim. Hamda masalan cho'nqur uxlabdim deganni hamda nima desanlar? Hamda very badly bek yaxshi uxlayapmadim degan gap hamda very bad degan gap hamda. Agar hamda demakchi yoki qarib tush ko'rib yoki u bu bo'lib deganda bearam bo'lib shunami? Shuni badly. Hamda cho'nqur uxlash degan nima? Layrak uxlash deb qo'yamiz-ku. Inglizcha nima deydi? Sleep like a rock. Sleep uxlamak like xuddidek a rock, tashdek. Rock means R-O-C-K. Sleep like a rock. Tashdek uxlamak. You know, he slept like a rock yesterday. O tunigan tashdeklam qana qildi, uxladi. Demak hamda rock deganimiz hamda tash, qo'ram tash. You know, he hurt himself on the horse race last week. Okay. Hamda u o'tgan hafta shu baygi musobaqasida qana qildi, o'zini yordam oldi. Okay. Yeah, I only answered the last question. Men shu faqatlam mush eng oxirgi savolga qana qildim, javob berdim. Okay, next one is again. Again deganimiz nima? Masalan, qayta. Masalan, speak again, qayta so'zlamak. Telephone again, qayta telefon qilmak. You know, we talked about that subject again. Biz u tema to'g'risida yana qayta qana qildik, paranlashdik. You must try again. Siz cho'qim qana qilsangiz kerak, qayta sinab berishingiz kerak. You must try again. You know, don't be late again. Bu nim bo'ldi? Siz hamda qayta qana qilmang, kechikmang. Don't be late again. Don't be late again. Please call him again. Endi uningga qana qiling? Qayta telefon qiling. Please call him again. And again, they got into trouble again. Ular yana shu avarchilikqa yo'liqdi. Got into trouble and avarchilikqa qanaqa bo'l? Yo'q. And say deganimiz nima desanlar? Dish, masalan, say as you think. Siz o'ylaganingizdek qanaqa qiling? Dang. Demak, o'ylaganingiz dang. Say as you think. What are you saying? Nima da'vat says? Say. So be careful about what you say. And nima da'vat qilingizga, ig'zingizga diqqat qiling deb qo'yamiz uyg'urchada. Demak, be careful ehtiyot qiling about what you say. Nima deganingizga, nima da'vat qilingizga qanday qiling? Diqqat qiling. Be careful about what you say. Masalan, don't telephone me, she said. And nima shariki sayning o'tgan zaman shakli nima desangiz said. Chunki bu nima desangiz adabsiz bil. Ekenim deymiz sanlar, qoidasiz bil deymiz. Shunami? Don't telephone me, she said. And someone say yes, someone say no. And biz ba'zilari ya dedi, yana ba'zilari nima dedi? Yo'q dedi. Bu shuni say yoki yes deymiz. Bu savolashda tekst qaraylik. Endi tekstda avval hamda shuningki bir necha nimalar sizlar diqqat qilib anglagandan keyin undan bu tekstni başlasak. So what's the Ron Marston like, Pauline? deydi. So listen carefully.
What's Ron Marston like, Pauline? He's awful. He telephoned me 4 times yesterday. He telephoned the office yesterday morning and yesterday afternoon. My boss answered the telephone. What did your boss say to him? He said, Pauline is typing letters. She can't speak to you now. Then I arrived home at 6 o'clock yesterday evening. He telephoned again, but I didn't answer the phone. Did he telephone again last night? Yes, he did. He telephoned at 9 o'clock. What did you say to him? I said, This is Pauline's mother. Please don't telephone my daughter again. Did he telephone again? No, he didn't.
All right, so what's Ron Marston like, Pauline? Okay, endi mana jumlada mushu Ron Marston qandaroq odam deydi. Okay, endi mushu what is like degan jumla nada ishiltildi desanglar. Masalan, bir odam yoki bir narsaning qandaqligini so'rashda ishiltildi. Masalan, uniki tashqi ko'rinishi, masalan, odam bo'lgan bo'lsa, uniki chiroy turqi, xarakteri qandaroq odam deganda so'rashda qanday desanglar ishiltildi. Demak, endi mushu ma'lum narsadan bir xabardor bo'lmoqchi bo'lsanglar, mushuni masalan ilgari, so what's the weather like in your country? Demak, endi davlatingizniki havo qanday yoki what's the climate like in your country? Klimat qanday shunami? Masalan, what's the weather like in spring? Undaqda bahor fasliniki havo qanday? Demak, endi mushu what is like degan jumla shakli endi shu yerda ishlaydigan shunami? Endi bu yerda what is like this, he's awful. He telephoned me 4 times yesterday and 3 times the day before yesterday. Ona kishini bezor qilgan bir odam. Qanday odam desa kishini bezor qilgan? Yo, agar endi yaxshi odam bo'lsa, ona isil odam. You know, he's awesome. He's great person, shunami? He telephoned me. Ana bu telefon degan fe'lni keyin iri qetish orqali biz nimani qildik bizlar? Mushu fe'lning o'tgan zaman shakli. Birdamdan keyin nahs mushu bizniki grammatika nuqtamizda nah mushu darsniki fe'llarning o'tgan zaman shakli ustida to'xtalamiz. Shuni bir tafsiliy ko'rib olsanglar. Demak, he telephoned me 4 times yesterday and 3 times the day before yesterday. O tunugun 4 qatim telefon qildi. O'lish kun 3 qatim telefon qildi. Yani he telephoned the office yesterday. O tunugun nima? Office'ga nimaga? Office nimiz ishxonaga telefon qildi. And yesterday afternoon. Okay, telephoned yesterday and morning and yesterday afternoon. My boss answered the phone. Demak, mening xo'jayinim telefonni oldi. Demak, answer the phone deganimiz nima? Telefonni qabul qilmoq. What did your boss say to him? Hamda xo'jayiningiz nim dedi? So he said, Pauline is typing letters. And what did your boss say to him? And the xo'jayiningiz nim dedi? And bu alayib savol jumla shakli ekan, va savolashlar. Masalan, mening xo'jayinim manda dedi deymiz, shunami? My boss said to him. And did your boss say to him? And bu savolga aylantirsak nima bo'lar ekan? Did your boss say to him? And ma keyindagi ismni o'rniga shu what ni almashtirib bersak, shu what did your boss say to him? Buningga xo'jayiningiz nim dedi desa? Pauline is typing letters. Pauline hozir xat bosib o'tirdi. Endi ma'ni ma'nosini eni qistirma jumla saqlashlar. Peshdan birini qo'yib o'tib, mana ikki ana shu quotation belgisini qo'yash orqali nima desam, boshqalarning gapini qistirib, demakchi qistirgan jumla shu qistirgan jumla. He can't speak to you now. Hozir u sizga qanday qilmaydi, gap qilmaydi. Demakchi tilpiningizni olmaydi. You know, then I arrived home at 6 o'clock yesterday evening. And men tunugin kechqurun saat 8 bilan qana qildim, uyga yetib bordim. He telephoned again. O yana telefon qildi. But I didn't answer the phone. Biroq men telefonni olmadim. Demakchi javob qilmabdi, shunami? Did he telephone again last night? Again, qaytashnama. U yana telefon qildimi? So yes, he did. O telefon qildi. He telephoned at 9 o'clock. O soat 9da telefon qildi. Demak, endi mana o'tgan zaman shunami? O'tgan ma'lum bir aniq vaqtda, konkret vaqt yuz bergan ish harakat shunami? He telephoned at 9 o'clock. O 9 bilan qanday qildi? Telefon qildi. Demak, ash da'vatga vaqtida alla birini o'tgan zamonga tavada hamda ish bulab o'tgan ish harakat. So what did you say to him? And onunga nim dedingiz? Desa, I said, men dedimki, this is Pauline's mother. Bu Pauline'ninki opsi. Please don't telephone my daughter again. Mening qizimga amdi telefon qilma. So did he telephone again? U ham telefon qildimi? No, he didn't. Absdan qo'rqib ketibdi. All right. Let's look at the notice on the text. Endi sağdasa qarabanglar. Hamda bugungi mushtasiki muhim nuqtalardan what is Ron Marston like Pauline? And what is like? And bu bir kishining qandaligini so'rashdi. Masalan, what's Mike like? Mike be qandaroq qadam desa, he's cute, u bek omaq. He's handsome, u bek kilishgan. He's nice, u nice. Baland adam, he's awful. Demak, endi shu birga tashqi qiyofati, uning xarakteri, mijozlarini bilishtirishdi. Masalan, what's look like? Okay, what does look like? O qaramoqqa nimaga o'xshaydi? Yoki what yoki how do you think of? Oh, how do you think of Lily? Deganga o'xshashchu. Endi bu o'ringa qandaroq qaraysa, demakchi qandaroq adam shu nimasi qaraymiz. Yana he telephoned me 4 times yesterday. Endi mishariki u menga tunigun 4 qitim telefon qildi. Demak, endi yesterday degan o'tgan vaqt ravishi. Did he telephone me 4 times yesterday? U menga 4 qitim telefon qildimi? When did he telephone me 4 times? U menga qachon 4 qitim telefon qildi? Yana he telephoned at 9 o'clock. U soat 9 bilan qanday qildi? Telefon qildi. Did he telephone at 9 o'clock? U telefon qildimi? Demak, endi savol shakli qanday desangiz, shu diddan foydalanamiz. Diddan foydalanamiz. Undan keyin endi bu alayt savolga aylantirib bersak, desanglar, what did he do at 9 o'clock? Alayt savolga aylangan birinchi so'lab fe'lni do-ga almashtiramiz. Undan keyin endi bu sharik ismni, demakchi what ga javob bo'lib keladiganini o'rniga almashtirib, what ni eng oldiga yetkazib qo'ysak ham bo'ladi. Masalan, I arrived at 6 o'clock in the evening. So, did you arrive home at 6 o'clock yesterday evening? So when did he? What did you do at 6 o'clock yesterday evening? Deganga o'xshashchu. Ishlarni ishlasam bo'ladi. Endi buni inkor shakli qanday bo'ldirsanglar? You know, I walked to school yesterday and I didn't walk to school yesterday. So did you walk to school yesterday? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Demak, endi bu sharika do yordamchi bo'lish bo'linib chiqdi. Yordamchi bo'lish bo'linib chiqqanda o'tgan zamondagi idni qaytib oladi yoki qoidasiz fe'llar o'tgan zaman altini qaytib olib, shuni bilan nima bo'ldi? Fe'llar asl shakli bo'yicha bo'ldi. Undan keyin did orqali ifodalanadi. Did orqali ifodalanadi. So, who answered the phone yesterday morning? Okay, who answered the phone yesterday morning? Who? And what did he say? Who answered the phone last night? Okay, so what did she say? And how do you think of Pauline? Okay, Pauline qanday qaraysiz? Mushu savollar sizlarga omonat qoldi savoldoshlar. Undan keyin how many times did Ron Marston call Pauline? How many times deb chiqqan o'qib? So did Pauline answer the phone? Pauline javob qaytardimi? So did Ron Marston call Pauline last night? Tunigan kecha telefon qildimi? Did he call again? Yes or no? So what do you think of Ron Marston? What do you think of? Okay, that's all, and see you next time. Goodbye.